How to change the language in Yahoo? For you to change the language in Yahoo, you would need to be logged into your account. So, let's go to mail.yahoo.com. Here, log in with your email and password. Now, on this page, go with the mouse over the profile image from the top right and click it. Now, click on Account Info. From the left, click on the Preference link. Here, you will have the language of the app, so change what language you want. Yahoo will automatically change the language in a few seconds. Now, let's go back to the email. You see now that I have another language on Yahoo Mail. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.